If you want to create a wallpaper by using AI on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, then in that case we need to go to Settings. Over here we're gonna scroll down a little bit and then go to Wallpaper and Style. Then choose Change Wallpapers. And then we have the Generate with AI section where we have, for example, Generative. So we can go over here, we have some example wallpapers over here. But if you want to create something by yourself, then you can choose one of these 9 categories. So let's say I'm gonna choose Imaginary. Then we have this prompt over here, which we can customize a little bit. So we can switch from a lamp, in this case, to something different. Let's say we're gonna choose a bridge. And then flowers, let's change the flowers. So a bridge made out of, let's say maybe out of stone. In the shades of, and we can choose the color. So let's say I'm gonna choose yellow and teal. And then after that, we can press generate. Now we need to agree to Google privacy policy, so we have to press let's go. And now we need to wait a couple of seconds to generate the image, the wallpaper. And there we go. We have some examples. We have different results that we can choose. So let's say I like this one the most. So in order to set it, we can press set, and then we can either set it for the lock screen, home screen, or both. And then go next. And we can still switch between these options that we had generated. But once you are done, we can press done over here in the top right corner. Remember that you can also switch between the home screen and lock screen preview. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.